Our 24-foot LED string lights can turn any patio, porch, or walkway into an enchanting landscape. These 24-foot LED string lights are linkable with up to 50 sets for an impressive 1,200 feet of beautiful light. They feature an 18-gauge heavy-duty wire for outdoor use and come with one replacement bulb. These LED bulbs have extended runtimes when compared with incandescents and can last for over 35,000 hours. This 12-bulb LED string light strand is weatherproof, and all LED bulbs are shatter-resistant. They are easy to use. Just plug the string lights into an outlet and watch your backyard transform. This is just one of the many outdoor accent lighting options we have at Harbor Freight. Come visit us at any of our 1,000+ locations or visit us online at harborfreight.com.